Looking for active Windscribe promo codes? You've come to the right place. No more scouring the internet like a maniac to scrimp and save. We have what you seek. First up, visit Windscribe's official promo page. That's right, no sketchy third-party coupon sites here. If you're waiting for a sale, we always recommend Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and our anniversary on April 20th, where we give those real sticky icky discounts. No sales on right now? Keep watching, you still have options. Refer a friend and get 1 month free. Refer more, get even more VPN. Need to know how to claim a voucher? Here's a rundown. Grab your promo code and get Windscribe at a discounted price. Step 1, log into your Windscribe account. Step 2, go to My Account and find Claim Voucher. Step 3, enter the code and boom, instant savings. Team up with a friend and split the cost of a yearly subscription. You save, they save, everybody wins. Don't have friends? No problem, Lone Wolf. Here are some other tips instead. Confirm your email for 10 gigs free per month. Want more? Post about Windscribe on X, dead name Twitter, for an extra 5 gigs. Do you believe in the goodness of mankind? Want to ask for help without shame or guilt? Visit givescribe.com where you can put forth your case. Fellow community members or strangers around the globe can sponsor your online privacy costs free of judgment. You can always pay it forward for others. Become an internet sugar daddy. There you have it. Affordable privacy for all who want the secret savings Big VPN doesn't want you to know, but we do.